welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Keep watching to see how I achieved this look. I purchased this wig from LuvMe Hair. It is HD lace and the lace came pre-cut. This is a curtain bang layered type of style wig, and it looks so beautiful on their website. This is all the goodies that came in the box, and let me tell you, they have upped their packaging game. This is the hair dye that I used. I went in with the brown cinnamon first and then went over it with the golden bronze, and you guys will see how the hair color turned out in just a moment. This is after I washed and colored the hair. I went ahead and just parted it and laid it how I wanted it to be laid. Y'all, do not judge my braids. Your girl is going through postpartum hair loss, and I'll talk about that a little bit more in a separate video. But we're gonna go ahead and put these braids up and put this cap on. Okay, y'all, here is the wig. I love this color. It's a really nice chocolate brown. Originally, I was going for more of a lighter blonde type of color, but once I put this wig on my head, I was like, okay girl, this is doing what it needs to do. Right now I'm adjusting the wig to make sure it's laying how I want, and I did use the comb in the back, and girl, yes, that's me confirming that I'm loving this chocolate hair color. Okay, so now I'm gonna clip the hair back so we can start, you know, laying down this wig. I am going to be using Gots to Be glue. But first we're going to go in with alcohol to clear any oil off of my skin, so that way the wig can really just stick and just lay where it needs to lay. This first layer, I'm just spraying on the wig cap just to make sure that it does not move and it stays in place. And then I'm going to go in and spray it just on that little portion of my forehead where I really want it to lay. And you know, I'm just gonna spray it where it needs to spray, let it dry, and then we're gonna go over it again with another layer. So now I'm gonna pull the wig down, but I'm not going to adhere it in place yet. I'm gonna take my comb just to make sure that the part is in the middle where it should be, and then I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down, because baby, I do not want to take this wig off and start all over. Like, we're not doing that. So right now I'm just gonna go in and just do just a few little touch-ups where I feel like, you know, I can use a little extra love. So we're gonna do that, and then we're just gonna continue to press the lace down into my skin. So I'm going to take this little band, we're going to tie this around the wig, and this is really just going to lay it down in place. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just really feeling this wig, y'all. I haven't worn a wig in so long. It is so crazy. This wig did come pre-cut with the curtain bang, but I did want it to add just some extra layers because, I don't know, it just wasn't doing enough for me as is. Now I did add an extra bundle of hair to the back of this wig because it wasn't full enough for me. So you're gonna see me cut off some of that excess length, and I really wanted a blunt cut, kind of medium length look. So I'm going to start cutting layers in the front to really frame my face, and then I'm just going to kind of keep going throughout. But if you are liking this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, y'all. We are almost at 1,500 subscribers, so subscribe to your girl. The thing with layers that you have to keep in mind is cut off a little bit at a time. You can always go back and cut off some more. So you'll kind of see me go over some parts twice, and that's because I felt like I just wanted to cut off a little bit more. So now I'm going to go in and add a little bit of layers kind of at the top part of the wig, so that way when I curl it, we're going to have lots of volume. Can y'all believe this is my first ever HD lace wig? Like, what? Girl, crazy. So my daughter woke up, y'all, so she wanted to watch mommy do her hair. So now I'm gonna go in and do some baby hairs. I was kind of contemplating whether or not I wanted to do it. At first I didn't, but I said, why not? Let's just do it. So I'm gonna use some mousse just to lay down the baby hairs for right now, just to keep them out of the way. So I'm using my baby flat iron just to curl the baby hairs, and then we're just gonna lay it down with some more mousse. And everything that I'm using in this video, including this wig, is going to be linked down below. And by the way, this is not sponsored, y'all. I bought this wig with my own money, and I thought it was a little expensive. I probably should have waited for the Black Friday sale, but hey, it is what it is now. So the baby hairs are laid. Now we're gonna really get into styling this hair. I purchased this curling iron on Amazon. I believe it is a 1.5 inch barrel. I absolutely love this curling iron. It heats up so fast. It does such pretty, beautiful curls. Like, this thing is amazing. So right now I'm just playing with the hair, and I think I really want this to come down in my face a little bit more to really have that curtain bang effect. And yeah, that's just me playing around and trying to see what I want to do. But I went and got my hot comb, y'all, and I'm just going through the hair and just laying it more towards my face. Honestly, I really love this wig, the construction of it, the 5x5 closure, the quality of the hair is amazing. The only thing that I would say that I didn't particularly like, I felt like the wig was a little bit too thin for my liking, and there were a lot of flyaways on this wig, so I did use some Gots to Be glue to kind of lay those down. But otherwise, I would recommend this. I would even buy this wig again. When it comes to my hair and everything else in life, I am just a perfectionist. I just really want this to lay a certain kind of way. So we just gonna fix this little piece, but so far I'm loving it, as y'all can see. I'm officially satisfied with the curls and how everything is laying. I'm gonna go in with the hot comb again and just press and lay down the parting area just so it lays very, very flat. And I did not show this on the video and I apologize, but I did spray a little bit of Gots to Be glue just to lay down the flyaways. Now I'm going in with my Fenty concealer and just adding a little bit to the front of the lace and then just a tad bit down the part. This is the final look of this curtain bang wig install. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and really like this look. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to comment and subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.